Hey y'all, hey, I got another video for y'all today. So, I know you guys have seen the rave about this girl named Jennelle Eliana. Hope I'm not saying her name wrong, but she is the new internet sensation. This girl literally 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, posted a video about her van tour, just showing everybody for 27 minutes her life in her van, her little blue, cute little van. Yeah, the girl that went viral. When I say viral, within 3 weeks, her first video was seen 4.9 million times. In that time, she has gained 1.1 million subscribers. Do you hear me? She done got every plaque that YouTube pretty much has to offer, right? So the issue is that so many people are pissed off because they like,
she just got on YouTube, how she get all of that, what.
Stop it. Let that little cute little girl, half of us subscribed to her because she was cute, her little cute little personality. And a lot of men were mad about that. They were actually mad that this cute 20-year-old got all these subscribers. I mean, listen, the girl had beautiful hair. That's why, I actually liked her personality. And I like what she did. And if she did do the video, she did a damn good job. She edited better than the hell of a lot of people that's been on YouTube for a long time. So I'm like, give this girl her props. Let her have it. But if you haven't checked out the video, go check it out. She's just so genuine. But a lot of people, these conspiracy theorists, and I ain't gonna lie, I kind of started thinking, I was
like, why she name dropping? Why you got Yeti in there, huh? Why you sitting up there talking about you at 24-hour fitness? What's real? What's the tea, girl?
So that is the thing where people are now like saying that this is just some huge advertising gimmick. Okay, nobody said that. I said it. No, I don't think that. Now, I was in marketing, and it wouldn't be the first time that we have been like gone overboard for somebody. It came out to be like a gimmick. That was an advertising thing. Do I think that is the case with this? No, I don't. But the girl is a genius. The girl revamped the whole van herself. She even put like flooring in there. I was like, girl, I had to pay somebody to put these flooring in. The girl got wood floor in the van, y'all. But it was a great video. So my thing is this. Jump on the bandwagon, make a video talking about it, and move on. When it's your time to shine, you will shine. Don't be mad that somebody got there faster than you. Y'all gonna have me sit up there giving y'all this advice, but I ain't gonna even lie. I was like, well,
that's what you doing? Well, I'm about to figure out my content too. Shoot.
Oh, if you don't like my hair, watch this shameless plug. If y'all like my hair, my Trinity Square page, I'm actually doing the video now to show y'all how. Y'all see it. Come on, Creole, push through. Anyway, Sucker Mother Lovers, this video is definitely long enough. Yes, I'm holding the camera because I'm about to get up out of this house. But I just want to say, man, when it's somebody's turn, applaud them. Because when it's your turn, you're going to want people to applaud you. I'm saying? So don't be hating on this little 20-year-old. Let her live, and I pray to Jesus Christ that if it's not a gimmick, that lady stays safe in that van. Ma'am, I'm going to need you to go and get some bullets. I know you got your little cute little taser. It's time to get a bullet. So you can put a bullet in somebody's ass if they try to come in that van again. Because you already had one that tried it. All right, anyway, Sucker My Loves, I'm going to just stay right here. I may camp in my backyard, but that's as far as you're going to get me out in that wilderness. That's the hell you ain't. You ain't going to catch me slipping, sucker. No, just kidding. Anyway, this video is definitely long enough. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed, like this video, tell a friend about this video, post this video, and follow me on Instagram, Straight Flexing, Trinity Comedy. I'm out. Oh, God. Hello.